Can they not open doors?
I don't know, but I really gotta sneeze.
Oh my god! Bless you!
Thank you. Are we in Switzerland?
Oh.
Stupid game, man! Stupid! Whatever.
Yeah, it's okay. Welcome back. I was feeling lonely, you know, so having some company is good. It was just so hard to hold it in when Gawr Gura died, asking, you know, are we in Switzerland? and then she died. Are we in Switzerland? And then just I just couldn't help it.
Yeah, because the old man was camping the door. Shut up.
Let's get some healing and